How would you feel once you watch a video and get paid real money? In this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new website that will pay you real money just by watching a video. And the good news about this website is work worldwide, and there is no any country restriction, and it is legit, and there is no any investment you are supposed to put there in order to get started. Before I go furthermore, there are some questions I want you to answer that you might ask yourself, like how you get paid, what is the payment method, is it legit, what is the minimum redeem, how to redeem the money. So all these questions I am going to answer. Furthermore, keep watching until the end of this video because I have a bonus that I'm going to share with you that will help you to maximize your result. So let me answer this question by starting with question number 1, how you get paid. This brand new website, they will pay you through point that you will redeem into cash. What are the payment method you will going to use to redeem those cash? They offer PayPal, so if you have a PayPal account, you can redeem your point into cash. What is the minimum redeem point? So this company will pay you so in point form. After reach a minimum of 3,000 points, you can redeem them or exchange them into $5. For every 3,000 points, you can redeem them into or exchange them into $5. So is it legit? This website is legit and they pay real money. So I want to share with you the name of this company or this brand new website is called Irazu. So by going to sign up at Irazu, you can get started. There is no any skills you are supposed to have, special skills you are supposed to have in order to get it started. So I'm going to take you through how to sign up and keep watching until the end because I promise you I'm going to share with you a bonus way that can help you to maximize your result. So next step here, you are supposed to go and sign up for a brand new account at this brand new website. So you are supposed to go to join, click the join button out there. So they will direct you here. So you are supposed to put your email address, first name, last name, and password. After finish signing up, you go to just log in, click login button out there, put your email address and password and just log in. As you can see here, just look at this is my account. I am already logged in and you can see the interface of this brand new website. As you can see here, I have some points. I just completed some stuffs here and there are some tasks to do here. So as I told you before, by watching video you can get paid real money. Just scroll down here, you'll find this watch fans video N22 and video watched. So by watch video you'll get 20. So after reaching a certain minimum that is required, you can redeem them into cash. Unlike of watching video, you can just go and do some stuff like taking a survey, try this offer like this one and just increase your earnings. So just like this one here, just download an income app and make money. You go for this special offer just by clicking this special offer, they direct you out there. So you can make $5 just by downloading this, install this. As you can see, congratulations, download and install a window, claim $5. Congratulations for use the referral link. This confirm $5 will deposit into your Spider account. So by just doing so, you can get this $5. As I promise you, I'm going to share with you a bonus way of maximize your result. A part of this of doing other stuff rather than watching a video. Just keep watching because this is a point I'm going to share with you. How should you redeem your earnings or your point? Just go to reward store. Just click here, rewards store. They'll direct you out here. So just go and click this PayPal. They will bring you here. So you can see 3,000 points you'll get paid $5. 12,000 points you'll get paid $20, and the $30,000. So if you accumulate, the more point you accumulate, the more money you should be making. This is a bonus I promise you are going to share with you at this website. So this bonus is by refer a friend and just get more money. So I'll leave a link in the description down below that will help you to sign up and just doing such stuff and watch a video and get paid money. Also, you can refer a friend and just go and make more money. This is a win-to-win situation. Once you make money, I also make a money. So this is a win-to-win situation. As you can see, the refer program, the program condition is you are supposed to refer a friend and get paid more points. If you refer a friend at the Irazu, you can get up to 500 points just by your friend accept your invitation. And also after they have used their site and accumulated almost 1,000 points by completing an offers, you get paid around this maximum of 500 points. Why? This point range at 100 up to 500 points. It depends. Once you are referral located at US, United States, United Kingdom or Canada, you will get paid 500 points. And for the rest of the world, you will get paid 100 up to 300 points. The more you refer more people, the more points you will accumulate and the more money you will make. So how much can you earn? So if you manage to refer up to maximum of 160 people, you can make it around this 80,000 points. 80,000 points by finding the rate of $5 for 3,000 points. Take 80,000 points divided by 3,000 points, you will get 26.60 and times 26.60 times $5, the rate of 1,000 points, you will get $133. I'm going to share with you, lastly, I'm going to share with you the link, how you'll find your referral link in this brand new website. So watching, this is the final step I'm going to share with you. Here is where you're going to grab your referral link. Just go to point history, just click point history. Once they open, you can see here upload a profile image, share on Facebook to any with the referral. So you just click this link here, referral, just click this link, create the unique link that can me share on Facebook. This is what we call the referral. So somebody who just go in and sign up, I can and them can make money too. So the link I will leave in the description down below. Make sure you sign up and do such stuff, and make sure you share with other people in order to get more point, and the more point you get, the more money you'll make. So I love your patience of keep watching until the end. I appreciate you so much, and I wish you all the best. I will see you on the next video.